Good morning, student. Now we start the same chapter, construction of quadrilateral, from your reference book, R.S. Agarwal, exercise 17a. It is question number 1. So here, draw a quadrilateral where four sides AB, BC, CD and DE are given and one of the diagonal is given. So first we draw the diagonal AC. So first we draw a line segment or ray. So one end is A, another end X. Now taking the measurement of AC, here AC 8 centimeter. In my compass, take the measurement of AC as radius. AC as radius. Taking A as a center, cut this line segment AC. So this is the point C. Now with the measurement of AB and CB. So this is the line segment AB. AB equal to 4.2 centimeter. AB equal to 4.2 centimeter. Taking A as a center, draw this arc, and with the measurement of CB, this is the line segment CB. With the measurement of CB, taking C as a center, draw this arc. So this is the point B. Now obviously D point is this side. Now with the measurement of AD and CD, AD, with the measurement of AD, taking A as a center, draw this arc, and with the measurement of CD, taking C as a center, draw this arc. So this is the point D. Now joint AD, CD, AB and CB. So this is the quadrilateral ABCD where AC equal to 8 centimeter, AB equal to 4.2 centimeter, BC equal to 6 centimeter, AD equal to 5 centimeter and DC equal to 5.2 centimeter. So this is the required quadrilateral ABCD. Next, question number 2. There is also same problem. One of the diagonal is given and four sides are given. Draw the quadrilateral PQRS. So first we draw this diagonal PR 4 centimeter. So draw a ray. This is the point P and this is X. Now with the measurement of PR, this is the line segment PR, diagonal PR 4 centimeter. So with the measurement of PR as radius, taking P as a center, cut this line segment. So this is the point R. Now PS and PQ with the measurement of PS and RS. So PS, here this is the point line segment PS taking P as a center, draw this arc, and RS 4.3 centimeter, taking R as a center. So this is the point S, and with the measurement of PQ and RQ, here PQ equal to 4.5 centimeter, PQ, and with the measurement of RQ, with the measurement of RQ as radius, taking R as a center, so this is the point Q. Now joint this point So this is the quadrilateral PQRS, where PR equal to 4 centimeter, PQ 5.4 centimeter, QR 4.6 centimeter, RS 4.3 centimeter, and PS 3.5 centimeter. So this is the required quadrilateral PQRS. Next, question number 3. There is also same problem. A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral where 4 sides are given and one of the diagonal is given BD. So first you draw a ray. This is the point B, X. Now with the measurement of BD 5.6 centimeter, BD as radius, taking B as a center, draw this arc. So this is the point D. Now with the measurement of BA and DA, so BA, with the measurement of BA, taking B as a center, here draw this arc, and with the measurement of DA 4.5 centimeter, taking D as a center, draw this arc. So this is the point A, and AB, this is the point C is in this side. So with the measurement of DC and BC, DC 4.5 centimeter, DC 4.5 centimeter, taking D as a center, draw this arc, and with the measurement of BC 3.8 centimeter, BC taking B as a center, draw this arc. So this is the point C. Now join the points AD, AB, BC, and CD. So this is the required quadrilateral ABCD, where BD equal to 5.6 centimeter, DC equal to 4.5 centimeter, BC equal to 3.8 centimeter, AB equal to 3.5 centimeter, and AD equal to 4.5 centimeter. Thank you.